this is Tina. Welcome to my video today, you guys. I had originally planned on doing this video on a Facebook Live on Wednesday, but last week was a little bit of a crazy week for me. I had some stuff happen on Tuesday that kind of wiped me out for the rest of the week, and then I was recovering from being sick, and I'm just now starting to feel better. So I thought I would just go ahead and do this video for you guys here. Today on Monday, there is a lot happening this week, you guys. The annual catalog goes live on Friday, so there is going to be a flurry of activity happening this week. I'm closing up my paper shares orders. Invoices are going out for that. There's information on that on my website. And then I'm just going to be around all week creating for you guys and getting excited for the new catalog. So today I am going to go ahead and use this stamp set, the Lemon Zest Stamp set. Now I used this stamp set last week on my Monday Facebook Live, and I was using this color combo, and I kept calling this raspberry lemonade. This is lovely lipstick and pineapple punch. And I thought it was so fun that I really needed to do something with this stamp set and those colors. The other stamp set that I am using is the Enjoy Life stamp set. This is a $1 million stamp set design, which means one of the $1 Million Achievers for Stampin' Up! Helped design this stamp set. I love it. We're going to be using some of the sentiments. So let's get started. I have my punch that coordinates with my stamp set, and then I have some pieces here. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a piece of Whisper White cardstock, and I'm going to cut this down to 3 1/4 by 5 because I have several different layers that are happening, and I want that to be on there. So here is my card base. It's going to be with this lovely lipstick, and I'm going to zoom in when I start doing all this stamping for you guys. But I just want to get all of these pieces kind of set up and ready. So we have lovely lipstick, and then we have pineapple punch, and we're going to layer that together. And then the very last layer is going to be the Whisper White. So let's zoom in here, and you guys can see me do the stamping. So I have a couple pieces of a couple strips here of designer paper. This is from the Garden designer paper, and it's a lot different than it looks in the catalog. You should be getting your catalogs by now, and this really does look a lot different in the catalog. I didn't think that I would like it, and I'm not sure that I love the floral side of it, but I do like these, the back sides of that. And so that's the side that we're going to be using on both of these. So I'm just going to add a little bit of adhesive here, and then it's going to go right down on the bottom of the white, and then this piece is going to overlap, and there's a hair. We definitely don't want that on our card. I like to use my grid mat to line this stuff up. I guess it doesn't have to be perfect, right? This isn't Hallmark, it's homemade, so it doesn't need to be perfect. So I'll just do that, and then what I'll do is I'll flip this over, and then I'm going to trim it. I don't know where my paper snips are at this moment. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is we need another piece of Whisper White, and what I want to do is stamp my lemon. So I'm going to use pineapple punch for this, and we're going to punch this twice. And we're going to want to punch this out, so I'm going to space them a little far away from each other just so I can punch them out. And we'll open this up. And I'm going to have to do some trimming kind of around this. That usually happens when you're punching something. I got a little close there to the edge. You usually have to trim a little something. Okay guys, so I have 2 lemons here, and one of them I'm going to pop up with dimensionals, and one I'm going to leave flat. So this one I'm going to do here. Now I punched a little close to the edge, so I'm definitely going to do this one flat. And then this one I'm going to punch up like this. So I want my sentiment right here. So I'm laying everything out just so I have an idea of where everything is. And then we're going to use the sentiment from the brand new stamp set. And I'm going to go ahead and do my sentiment on here. And hopefully I'm straight, you guys. I'm trying not to get my head in the camera. And it's okay. And then I can place my lemons over this. So remember, one is going to go flat. And I'm just going to kind of drop that down so that if I need to move it, you can see I can still move it around a little bit. That's going to give that a little bit of time to dry on that Whisper White cardstock. That lovely lipstick is a brand new ink pad, so it is a little on the juicy side. So we'll just take these dimensionals and we'll peel off the back. And then we'll place this right over, and we want it popped up. So see, I do want that angled up a little bit. And I feel like my sentiment is a little bit crooked, but that's okay. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is all of our layers. So now these layers are just going to go down. Flat. This is on the pineapple punch. So you can see I've just taken a 1/4 inch off each of my layers. That's what I usually do. And then right onto that lovely lipstick. And then there's a couple things we're going to do. The first thing is we're going to take our Wink of Stella. And this is a brand new Wink of Stella. And we're going to make these lemons sparkle a little bit. And that will dry pretty fast. So this Wink of Stella is a great thing to have to just add a little bit of extra. And then what I have right here is I just have some sequins. And what I'm going to do is take my fine tip glue pen, and I'm going to add a couple dots. And then I will take I just like to use my X-Acto knife. And I just take those and I place them around. I'm using some yellow ones and then these iridescent pink ones. I kind of have a variety of sequins that I kind of go to. Is the card for today. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing that. I love the sequins on there. I hope you will come back and join me on Wednesday and Friday for a couple more videos, and I'll be doing a catalog walkthrough. I'll be doing some Facebook Lives over on my Facebook business page. I'm just excited to celebrate the annual catalog going live and us going into June. The kids are getting out of school, and we are excited. We need a break. We're going to be watching lots of Star Wars this summer and doing lots of fun things. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, checking out my video, and I'll be back later this week to hang out with you guys some more. Have a great day. So much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.